Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, lesson 33. In this lesson, we shall be comprehending the features of white matter upon black matter, manifestation feature of our solar universe. Solar universe means the universe of Surya, Sun, six space. The origin of six space is seven space. Means pole star as origin of solar universe. Dhruv, pole star, is formulation of TCB 19. This is of Krishna. Black. "20" is Shvet, white. The phenomenon of 20 discrete points range with 19 gaps, and 20 points range is having 19 gaps, and it will have two-fold flow. Means if we are having, say, like this, a range of points, and from the gaps there could be a flow on its both sides, and it will make 20 as an organization of 19, 20 and 19. It is 58, which is 29 plus 29, means Brahma and Brahma. Further, we know that value 58 is parallel with TC value of Krishna, Dvapayana, 28th name of Vyas. And Vyas Krishnadevapaya is the author of Brahma Sutra. TC value of Brahma Sutra is 28 plus 15 is equal to 43 Brahmand universe, and 43 as a dimension takes us to 45 as domain, and 45 we know is the TC value of Saur Mandal, solar universe. Let us begin again. There is a white matter in Svet, TC value 20, and this range of 20 discrete points is having 19 gaps permitting flow on its both sides, and 20, 19 and 19 makes 58. It is 29 plus 29. It is Krishna Dvapayan. Krishna Dvapayan. And it takes us to Brahma Sutra, Brahmand, and it manifests as Saur Mandal. Further, we also know that 45 is equal to 22 plus 23. It is hypercube 6, a 6-space body, a full unit, and here is hypercube 6 of half units. This is a 7-space as origin of a 6-space. We have this way reached at the origin of a 6-space. Here is 7-space and it is 6-space, and its origin is this, making it hypercube 6 full unit and hypercube 6 of half units, 22 plus 23. Now 7-space as origin means the pole star, means Dhruv, means TC value 19. Therefore, this origin of 6-space is having a twofold flow, and it is this feature which is making the manifestation features of our solar universe as northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. These are of value 17 and value 19, together 36, which is the 5x7 grid, 35 double-digit numbers of 6 place value system, and 36 is the first triple-digit number of 6. This value is of 10 place value system. The value 36 is parallel to the TC value of Khyar-Purush, and step ahead, value 37 is the TC value of Akshar-Purush. The formulations here as Ka and Sha as TCB1 manifests as Ka Brahma as Ka as a 4, making it that the value for Ka transforms 1 to 10, as we know that 1, 1, 1 and 4 as a fine state is 1, 2, 3 and 4 as a manifested state, and Ka Brahma transforms as 10 Brahmas in a Shivlok, as that 4 space as dimension transforms as 4 space as boundary of 5 space and of 10 components, that is a raised to power 5 is to 10 b raised to power 4. These features as these are, when are changed further, see from pole star there is a flow of transcendental content 5 space as dimension of 7 space, and this flow when is through the cosmic windows within creator space, it manifests as the transcendental seal, as a transcendental origin, and as 7 space is the origin of 6 space, so here there is a Sthapatya miring rod, and the 5 space content along this format of a Sthapatya miring rod will make it 21 into 5 is equal to 105, and 105 as dimension will take us to 108 as an origin. Let us proceed ahead and see that within 6 space is a Sthapatya miring rod, synthetic setup of hypercubes 1 to 6, and these together as a format for flow of a transcendental content as 21 multiplied by 5 is equal to 105 as dimension takes us to 108 as an origin. This value 108 is 4 into 27, and 27 is 3 raised to power 3, and this is nakshatras, constellation of stars or nakshatra. In this background, let us now visit Dhruv Mantra. It is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Let us translate this text in numbers. It is 16. It is now 19. This is 9. This is 16. Makes 25. Bhagavate, it is 9, 4, 8, and 10. It is 31. Vasudevaya 9, 4, 12, 9, and 2. This is 13, 25, and 11. 36. Let us sum up it: 16, 41, 72, and 108. So, Dhruv Mantra leads to TC value 108, and this as the origin takes us to 105 as dimension, and this value is 5 into 21, and 21 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So it is a transcendental content flow along within 6 space along a Sthapatya miring rod. Let us have a pause and let us recapitulate and imbibe these features. It is by imbibing these features we will be appreciating as that the Vedic systems are accepting as that Dhruv pole star is the source of black matter. So it is a black matter reservoir. This black matter reservoir pole star is manifesting at the origin of 6 space, and it is this manifestation of 6 space which is making 13 layers of 8 directional frame, and 8 directional frame as 13 layers is 6 layers and 7 layers. These 6 layers we know are leading to value 56. And 56 as a dimension will take us to 58. And further we know 56 is the number of factors of 1 to 28 because numbers 1 to 28 lead to factors 56. It is this feature that will help us appreciate that 6 as a first perfect number to 28 as the second perfect number is the Vedic system which is helping us comprehend the phenomenon of a black matter pole star as origin of solar universe, and the black matter is having superimposition of a white matter. This phenomenon is that way 7, 6 and 6, and it is 20, and 20 is a Shvet, a white. The Krishan Dhruv, black matter, is 19 plus 70. However, Ka as Ka Brahma will take us a step ahead, and it is this feature which deserves to be appreciated as it will take to the value 39, and it is Maheshwar. It is Mehe. It is 20. It is this phenomenon of Shvet, Dravya, 37, and Krishna, Dravya, 36. It is a Khyar Purush and it is Uttam Purush. This chase of manifestation of solar universe as a phenomenon of white color superimposed upon black color. Once we will be parallel with it, and once we will be appreciating it, then we may be in a position to proceed ahead to appreciate that if we start with Prithvi, the first element, and sequentially proceed to second, Apa, third, Agni, fourth, Vayu, fifth, Akash, sixth, Surya, and seventh, Dhruv, then we'll see that these Panchmabhut, 5 basic elements, are taking us to value 68, and in descending order, the 5 will take us to 67, and it is this phenomenon which will help us appreciate that we are reaching at 135, and it is this phenomenon of 27 multiplied by 5, and it is the phenomenon of nakshatras, the constellations. One will further appreciate that at 8th step is Vishnu, And first 7 steps, 1 to 7 together, lead to value 100. Vishnu has 25, it leads to value 125, and it is the age of a Krishna. Let us have a pause and let us proceed further and see that Prithvi is also having value 25, Vishnu is also 25, and in between, naturally, there will be value 75, and it is parallel with Eka Adhikain Purvain. It is the TC value of this first Ganita Sutra. Further, we know that the synthetic setup of a cube has 8 subcubes with its separation wall plate of upper quarter subcubes of TC value of structural component 75, below as 50, and this structural base plate is of value 25. Let us have a pause. Let us permit our mind to glimpse and imbibe how the Vedic mathematics, Vedic systems are of base values, which takes us Vedic Ganita Sutras as base of Vedic mathematics, science and technology of our solar universe, which is of features of white matter superimposed upon dark matter, and the Kalvidhi Vidhan of 9 space is supervising the nature, eightfold nature. Asht-prakriti and now Brahm phenomenon is the phenomenon which is being chased by Vedic mathematics or mathematics of Ganita Sutras, and it makes Vedic mathematics, science and technology. It is all about solar universe. It is all about white matter superimposed upon a dark matter. It is all about time method systems of nature, functional, operational, under the supervision of now Brahm, the eternity. Sit comfortably, permit the transcending mind be through it, and be blissfully parallel with the Vedic systems. Thank you very much.